Hi, if we haven't met, I'm Yasmin's digital avatar. While she's busy running AimTech AI and building custom AI agents for real businesses, she writes every video and reads every comment. So be sure to comment your thoughts below. Now, this is important. OpenAI just dropped Codex Desktop, and it completely changes how websites get built. You don't start with code, you start with a really good prompt. The more specific you are, the better the result. I told it to build a clean, modern website for my client. Dark background, premium feel, strong call to action, clear sections. It generated the entire layout. Then I clicked on a button and typed, "Change this button to red." That's it. It updated the actual site in minutes. No files, no digging through components. Now imagine being specific with it. For example, rewrite this headline to sound more premium and focus on saving businesses money with AI. Or something like, add a pricing section with 3 tiers and highlight the middle plan. This is where it gets interesting. The better you communicate, the better your website becomes. You're not building websites anymore, you're directing them. If you want to try it for yourself, here's how to get started. Download the Codex desktop app for Mac or Windows and sign in with your ChatGPT account. Choose a folder or project where you want to build your site and start with a very detailed prompt. The more specific you are, the better the result. Once it generates your website, you can click directly on any part of the page and just type what you want changed in plain English. It's that easy. Let me know below if you try it and what you were able to build with it. Maybe include the link for more views on your website. Follow me for simple ways to stay ahead with AI.